What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee because it's raining outside from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything tastes better with Casper. Okay, now yesterday, the last thing we talked about, when I kept telling a lot of you, those of you who follow my channel, and this is my millionaire journey, that the dump was over. Okay, this is now the time, you know, the probability of it dumping of the coins that we are following, which are Casper, Quant, and Jasmine. The probability of them going lower than they were at that moment yesterday was very low. Okay, we have probably 80% or 75% chance of it jumping up than dumping. And I kept telling you guys, everything was already flat on the ground, oversold, and it was about to go up. So congratulations to those of you who followed me into that trade, who put positions in, because I'm pretty sure you are up, you know, significantly today. Like always, I'm always very transparent. I always show you guys my trades, what I do, what I don't, my wins, my loss, everything. I always show you guys. But before we do that, as always, let's start by checking at the general market. Okay, crypto bubbles. Okay, we do that by looking at the crypto bubbles. As you can see, it's a mixed feeling. Okay, it's a mixed feeling. People you don't know which one is going up or which one is going down. But the coins that we are trading, like I told you guys, look at that. Ondo Finance, for example. If you see Ondo Finance, that right there, Ondo Finance is green, is going up. Look at Quant. Quant is green, we're going up. So it's just something, like I told you guys, is about to happen. But with that being said, let's go straight into them one by one. Let's look at Casper first. Casper, the king itself. So you can see on the day we are up 0.5%. On the last hour we're down 0.7%. Okay, like I told you guys, this is just flat out, we started to go up. The leg up has started. Those of you who want to jump in, this is now that you're supposed to do your risk assessment, if you want to get in or if you want to wait some more. Let's look for Jasmine. Jasmine, JMY. There you go. Look at that. For the day, Jasmine is down 5%, but on the last hour we are up 0.2%. Okay, let's look at Quant. That's the next one that we are also trading. QNT. Let's look at Quant. See that? For the past hour, Quant is up 0.5%, but for the past day, Quant is up 2.8%. Did you see? Did you see what I meant yesterday? I told you guys this was happening. Okay. Yeah. I told you guys this was happening. The market was already very oversold, and whoever that was manipulating the price using Bitcoin, I think they're either running out or they have run out completely. So right now, all you have to do is put in your positions, scale them up. When you scale them up, what will happen is that it drops your liquidation. It drops it to the lowest point ever. I'm going to show you my trades just like always, so you can see what I did. Okay, so before we go into that, let's look at trading view right quick. Let's look at all the 3 coins that we are trading or we are dealing with in this my millionaire journey. So all of you future millionaires, I hope you are making moves. Like I always tell you guys, every day you have to gain. I don't care how much it is, $1, $10, 10,000, whatever. You have to gain. You have to gain something, either by your working 9 to 5, or by leverage trading, or by spot trading, however you're doing it. Okay, but you have to gain every day. So let's check on the first one we're going to look at. Is going to be Casper on my trading view. So let me look at my trading view quick. Trading view right here. Okay, let's look at Casper, KAS. Casper Mexi. Let's look at that. Okay, I will zoom in a little bit to show you guys what I meant. So we're gonna go here on the 4 hour. Okay, here, there you can see it. Casper is beginning to move. Like it came all the way down. I think it was like 12.8 yesterday, and I told you guys like this thing is about to start going up. No, there was no need for you to panic. If you go on the 1 hour, go on the 1 hour. Look at it. Okay, let me bring out my arrow. I gotta bring in my arrow right quick. My arrow right here. Yesterday, when we was talking, I told you guys this was the bottom. So Casper broke out of the ribbon. We tested the resistance. I've had, those of you who follow my channel, you know I've had this line for the longest. This resistance right here at 14.9, almost 15 cents. We tested it, rejected, came back down. Now we are trying to get above it again, and I can tell you with certainty that what's going to happen right now, Casper is going to form this perfect cup and handle, and we're going right back up to retest this resistance. Some people call it cup and handle, some others call it Adam and Eve, which you can see with this one bigger and this one being smaller, from that perfect W and a breakout coming in. And you can see the target for this, okay, the target for this will lead us to way above 17 cents. Because if you look, let's draw a trend line right quick. Okay, since this being the longest one or the biggest one, from here to the breakout, which might be right here. Okay, if you take that and let's say it breaks out right there, we're going above that 16 and a half. So we are going to be above the ribbon. We are going to be above the moving average, and that will push Casper up to try the all-time highs at 20 cents. Okay, so that being said, guys, you have to really look at this. Look at the way the ribbon, the EMA ribbon is curving up. Okay, this is just tells you like this. Look at here. This whole action right here shows you that Casper is about to run to the upside to retest this resistance first, then retest this moving average. That is going blue skies, because like it's a lot of catalysts coming on right now. A lot of catalysts coming on because there is this KRC20s they're about to get launched on, and with KRC20s we are talking about stable coins and the rest of them. Guys, this thing is about to shoot Casper to above 60 cents. Guys, this is about to happen. Those of you who take action, you are about to be very happy with it. Always, like I said, if you enter a trade, scale it up, make sure your liquidation goes way below. Or you can just buy it on spot and watch your position grow. So that being said, let's go to the next coin. Next coin is going to be Quant. Let's go here, Quant. Let's search for QNT. Quant on Binance. Here we go. Just like clockwork, because yesterday I can show you a clip of my video yesterday. We was here and I told you the same thing. Look at the EMA. The EMA ribbon was curving up, which means we were about to jump from here, go up there, retest it. We break above it. Is normal. What usually happen? It will break above, come back, retest the ribbon, and now we're going up. Okay, if everything goes according to plan, Quant should be going up to these 80 cents. I mean, $80 to retest the moving average. To retest that, we're going to flip that into support, and then up we go. Okay, all that said, let me just play a clip of my video here from yesterday. Let me just play this clip to show you. Let me get into my Bydfi. Let me show you. It is easier. Okay, now this is my Bydfi on my Quant. Okay, I will show you all my trades, and we are going to go to the charts one by one. For example, okay, this is Quant on the 4 hourly. Okay, as you can see, the RSI is flat on the ground. Look at the RSI. It's flat on the ground. It is oversold. Look at the MACD. MACD is about to flip. It's about to flip to be bullish. So let me go to the weekly again, because I'm telling you guys, this is just manipulation that somebody is trying to get as much liquidity as possible. See on the weekly. Okay, now look at this. Look at the MACD and the RSI on the weekly. See, flat on the ground. This thing is about to flip. So I don't know how much lower the price could go. As you can see here, we've been running flat on the ground for almost 2 days right now. So whoever that is trying to sell, trying to cause all this is I don't know how much more Bitcoin they have to suppress the market any longer. But as you can see, it is all flat. Okay, as that being said, look at my quant position. I was down last night almost 10%. Okay, almost 10%, but it's bouncing right back up. Like I'm telling you guys, this thing is done with. There is no more dumps incoming. Okay, my Ondo Finance, as you guys know, I told you guys we use Ondo Finance for how do I say it? For, you know, to make the exchange fees, and also to make extra money to scale up your normal trades like my Quant, my Jasmine, and my Casper. As you can see right now, my Quant, I am up 31% on Ondo Finance, because I told you this coin is very predictable. You can predict when the coin is about to start running or when it's about to dump. As I told you guys, I am looking at $1.50 or $2 for Ondo Finance. Okay, now let's check at Jasmine. Let me open up the Jasmine chart, because I want to show you guys something right quick. This is the Jasmine chart. Okay, this is the Jasmine chart. As you can see, it's bullish. So whatever that the price is dumping right now, I don't think it will go any lower than this. You can see Jasmine chart is forming that bullish flag, and this one is on the weekly. Look at that bullish flag on the weekly. Let me go on the daily right quick. Let's go on the daily so that you guys can see even clearer. This is Jasmine on the daily. See, the same thing. RSI is oversold. Look at that, flat on the ground, oversold. MACD still going down, but I think we're about to flip. So this thing is about to run. So I don't know why people still like want to sell all their positions in fear of that this thing is about to dump even more. Okay, so let's look at another position. That's why on my Jasmine, as you can see, I am still up 54%. 54%, and I'm not afraid of anything right now, because I know the market is about to bounce, and that's what I've been telling you guys since 2 days ago. Okay, so now look at my Casper. Okay, my Casper, as you can see, market dumps. That's why I'm down almost 30%, but I'm not worried about it. See, almost 30%, but I'm not worried about it, because when you look at the chart for Casper, this is what we see. See, RSI oversold. Again, just like all of them, look at that. RSI oversold. MACD is about to flip. So this dump cannot go further than this. Okay, so see, as you can see, yesterday I told you guys about it, and like I said, those things were just temporal. Okay, I told you guys yesterday, those things were just temporal. You needed to have your positions ready and scale them up. That way your liquidation drops way to the bottom. Okay, so now today, let's see how those positions are doing today, so you can see the difference. Okay, look at trade. Let me go there into my Bydfi. Okay, I need to show you this, but a little bit later. Let's go into my Bydfi account right there, so that I can tell you when I showed you guys, it is something like most people are not looking at. You remember yesterday, okay, my quant was 0.1%. Did you see that today? look at my quant. I am up today 8%. My Ondo Finance, I was up yesterday 33%. Today Ondo, I am up 74%, which is almost $800. Okay, so now let's look at the graph right quick. See, that's what I was telling you guys. It was about to take off. So let's go on the weekly. This is on the 4-hour. Okay, if you go on the weekly, like that's what I usually try to show you guys. Okay, on the weekly, you see, it's about to reverse. Every position is about to be in profit. That's why if I go down, look at my Jasmine, look at my Casper. Jasmine, I am up 50%. On my Casper, I am up 33%. So on my Jasmine, 50%, that means $2,000 in profit. On my Casper, 33%, that means almost $3,000 in profit. That's what it is. That's for my long term. These trades, I am planning to keep them open to the top of the bull run, or as closer to the top as possible, because nobody knows how high the market is going to go. So let me go to the short-term trades on the Phemex. My Phemex trades, which is here. Let's go. Open up. Okay. You guys, those of you who know, like yesterday, like I showed you guys, see? They're all doing perfectly good. Just like I said, the market is about to reverse. Okay, on my Jasmine, I am still up 31%, which is almost $900. And on my Casper, I am up 4%. Those of you who remember, I was negative, it was red. So it has started to move up slowly. Okay, so let me take you back again into Trading View for just a quick second. If you look at Trading View right here, okay, see, just a moment ago as we were talking, what did I tell you? It was about start moving up to try to retest that moving average. You see, the price has already started to jump, start to move up. That's where we're going, to this $81. But we are not out of the bushes yet. We need to be at least 104 for quant to gain that bullish momentum. But right now, this is just the start of it. Okay, this is the beginning of everything. Now let's look at Jasmine. Jasmine, JAS. Jasmine coin. I'm gonna use Binance. Okay. Jasmine on the hourly, that's the price action. But what I want to take you guys, as always, is on the weekly. Jasmine is doing the same thing it has always done. Jasmine runs, creates that bullfrog scenario, and pops out. Okay, you remember here, I told you guys about here. Jasmine runs, side consolidation, pops out. The same thing, ran, side consolidation, and it's gonna pop up. Now, the measure move, I've always said it. The measure move, this is just halfway now, because the measure move, if you measure from the beginning, breakout here to here, and then you put it right here, that means the price is eyeing at going at 9 to 10 cents. That's where we're going. We have a resistance at 5 cents. Okay, we have a resistance at 5 cents. We have to, which has to be conquered. It's gonna happen just like here. When we get to that 5 cents, this is what is gonna happen. We're gonna hit that resistance, probably get rejected for the first time, and then go try it up again. But guys, you guys need to be very like you need to watch out. You need to watch out, because these moves happen. Everybody was bearish yesterday. Now where are they today? Like I said, it's a matter of time. It's a matter of time, and that means a matter of time. It means you are going to make a lot of money using this. Okay, now let's go look at the Casper numbers right quick. That is something that I like to show you guys every time that I update you guys on this. Let's look at the price right quick. I'm gonna go here, and I'm gonna go to the Casper numbers right there. Let's go to the Casper numbers. I will update the page. Okay, now as you can see, we are still trading at 14 cents, 14.3 cents on the dollar, with a market cap of 3.4. Okay, 3.4 usually be the liquidity grab. A lot of people who want to make money at 20 cents, they usually buy it right now at when we hit that oversold area. So Casper is really very oversold right now. So we're trading at that $3.4 billion market cap. Now, if you look again, hash rates, that's something I always tell you guys. We just made all new heights again on the hash rate, which is at 343 petahashes. Now, if you look on the chart, you see that price always follows hash rate. Price always follows. Look at that. You know, the price is the white line and the blue line is the hash rate. As you can see, the hash rate is about to go above the price, and what is just a matter of time before you see it is going to jump. The price is also going to follow the hash rate. Now let's go back, and I want to show you another important metrics on this thing. Now, addresses holding more than 10,000 Caspers. See that? 91,000 people are holding more than 10,000 Casper. So guys, I will not get tired of telling you this, okay? You need to own at least 10,000 Casper coin. It's not financial advice, but 10,000 Casper coins will make you a lot of money. Okay, it's up to you whether you want to take the risk or you don't want to. But I'm telling you guys, holding 10,000 coins will make you a lot of money, because Casper, very soon we're talking about the KRC20, which is going to happen in a couple weeks, because they said it was going to get released this month, right? This thing is going to get up, and once Casper get those KRC20, we get the stable coins, we get the meme coins, we get the DeFi projects, we get all these things into the chain. Casper is going to run minimum, it's going to run 60 cents to $1, and after that is blue skies. So please, I will say it again, just buy 10,000 Caspers. That's all you need right now. If you just want to get your toes wet, that's it. But if you're like me, who want to forget about this 9 to 5 and go from 0 to a millionaire status, shit, excuse my language, man, it's time to be a dolphin or a shark. That's what you need to be. The show, let's go to the migration right quick. So migration, as you can see, this is another thing that will take Casper to the heights that we have never seen, because migration, you can see we only 6% left. Yesterday we were 9%. Today 6% left, so it is almost complete. And this migration is what these big exchanges are waiting for. Okay, these big exchanges, they are waiting for this migration to complete. That way they can start listing Casper on Binance, on Coinbase, on you name them. Once this happens, then yeah, it is about to be fireworks for Casper. The same thing I'm telling you guys about Quant. I am almost, I can say, one of the few people that is still covering Quant, and for a good reason. People are very bearish right now on Quant, but I'm telling you guys, I have showed you, okay, I've showed you, and I will show you again. Quant is about to run. Quant is severely oversold. There's a lot of people waiting for a $40 Quant. I don't think you will get it. I don't think you will get Quant below that price anymore. Quant is about to run, because like I told you guys, at the end of this, we have project Enbridge already live. The CBDCs on Quant over Ledger are already being used. Okay, we have project Rosaline, which is going live this August, and this July the approval of stablecoin on Quant Ledger is also going live by the United States and also by the United Kingdom and a bunch of other countries around the world. Now when that happens, that will open the gate for Quant staking, which is project gateways. Okay, so you need minimum of 100 Quant right now, and just sit on the sideline and hold it. and hold it. If you check the metrics on exchanges, there is less than 2% of quant coins available on exchanges right now. People are buying quants and they are holding it on their cold storage because they know, not just people, institutions, they are buying quants. Guys, you are about to miss the biggest boat ever, because quant is about to be the new SWIFT system to move money around from bank to bank. And not only that, once the approval of crypto custody happens, okay, excuse me. Okay, here we go. Once the approval of crypto custody happens, banks will now be able to tell you, give you the option of you storing your crypto, no matter which one you have, dog coins, shit coins, or whatever you hold, in banks. And the only ways banks can store any crypto and on any chain is by using the quant of a ledger. So guys, you gotta watch out. Casper is about to blow because of the ecosystem. Okay, ecosystem is about to start getting momentum, and Casper will run like a wildfire. Quant is about to run because the projects that are coming on these coming months, July, August, they are real world use cases, and these real world use cases, they are for the big money. Quant is not looking for retailers. Quant is looking for big money. And if you can look, Quant is working with the biggest banks and the central banks in the world. This is wealth transfer happening right in front of your eyes. Do not get left behind. So Quant is about to take off, just as Jasmine. Jasmine is also about to take off. So that being said, I didn't want to make this video this long. I hope my message got through, and I hope you guys understand where we're going with this. Congratulations to those of you who followed me yesterday and made a move, open a position on the leverage, on spot, or however you want. You got it. Congratulations, because today I'm pretty sure you are sitting on some good gain, just like I am, just like I just showed you on my positions. Okay, that being said, thank you for watching my videos. Please comment, subscribe, share, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss anytime I upload a video, and share just so that any other people out there excuse me, so that everybody out there can also, you know, follow this my millionaire journey, and we can go from 0 to a 9 to 5. Okay, thank you for watching my videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.